Second thing is this. If you buy a brand new car, what does this mean? You are going to lose in the first year around 10 to 20%. In the first 5 years, around half that value. On top of that, most likely you can't afford it. So in reality, you have to borrow money. Is that right?
Yes.
So now you're going to have to add a little car payment of $600 every single month. That's money you could have been saving for your entire business, right? If that's what you want to do. So my advice would be, if I'm you, I'm going to go ahead and say, hey, I have one gig here with the social worker. I have the other one right here with the home stuff, I think. And I'm going to grab that money. I'm going to buy maybe like a little car here and there. If I want to do a side hustle, I can if I want to. But I'm going to buy a used vehicle, 3 to 5 years old, and I'm going to pay cash for it. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense. I watched one of your video and I considered that. So I'm looking to buy a used car.
For cash.
Yeah, cash.
And remember, right, it's not going to be that hard for you. Because once you're out of debt and you have your little emergency account, right, you're going to have extra cash over. My advice would be, before you go ahead and buy some fancy car, you go ahead and say, let me go ahead and save 6 months to 3 months worth of emergencies. Because when you have, for example, a job that's not stable, you want to make sure you're okay in case anything does happen. So in this case, I'm saving 3 months worth of emergencies. So whatever you spend per month, which you have, for example, the budget I gave you, shelter, utilities, groceries, and last transportation, you're going to say, well, whatever that is times 3, I'm going to save that money up. It shouldn't take you more than 3 to 5 months if you have a good budget. Once you have that money there, if you want to save money up when it comes to your car, you can if you want to. And it shouldn't take you like maybe like in 6 months or 3 months, you should have like $5,000 to $1,000 in there to go ahead and buy the car you actually want to buy.
You've got to start